Welcome to 5 Facts Only. Today, we're exploring 5 real animals so bizarre, so extreme, they seem like they belong in a science fiction movie. Some live in the deepest parts of the ocean. Others possess powers we still don't fully understand. These are 5 creatures with real-life superpowers that defy logic. Number 1, the barrel-eye fish. This deep-sea creature looks almost alien. The barrel-eye fish lives nearly a kilometer beneath the surface and has a completely transparent head. Inside its head, 2 barrel-shaped eyes point directly upward, letting it scan the darkness above for prey, like glowing jellyfish drifting overhead. These eyes are highly sensitive to light, and what's even stranger, they can rotate inside its skull, allowing the fish to look forward when needed. It was first seen alive in 2004 by researchers using deep-sea submersibles. Until then, it had only been found dead in fishing nets, its clear head destroyed by pressure changes. Seeing one alive in the wild confirmed that this species had evolved to thrive in total darkness, with adaptations we barely understand. Transparent, still, and watching from below, like a ghost with glowing eyes. Number 2, the immortal jellyfish. Turritopsis dohrnii might be the closest thing we have to a biologically immortal organism. Found in oceans around the world, it begins life as a tiny, free-floating larva. As it matures, it develops into an adult jellyfish, or medusa. But here's the twist. When faced with environmental stress, starvation, or injury, it can revert back to its polyp stage, essentially starting its life over again. This process, called transdifferentiation, rewires its cells, turning adult tissue into youthful building blocks. This transformation isn't just rare, it's almost unheard of in the animal kingdom. While it can still be killed by predators or disease, it doesn't age the way we do. In theory, this jellyfish could repeat this cycle endlessly, becoming functionally immortal. Number 3, the axolotl. With its feathery gills and permanent smile, the axolotl may look cute, but it's one of the most biologically fascinating animals on Earth. Native to the ancient lakes of Mexico, it has the extraordinary ability to regenerate almost any body part, not just limbs. Research has shown that axolotls can regrow their heart, lungs, spinal cord, and even parts of their brain without scar tissue. Even more astonishing, they retain these abilities into adulthood, unlike most amphibians that lose regenerative capacity after metamorphosis. In laboratory tests, axolotls have recovered from injuries that would be fatal to any other vertebrate. Scientists are studying them to develop treatments for human injuries, especially nerve and tissue damage. This isn't just healing. This is true regeneration, cell by cell. Number 4, the Yeti crab, discovered only in 2005 near hydrothermal vents in the South Pacific. The Yeti crab lives 2,200 meters below the ocean's surface, where light never reaches. Its most distinctive feature, long, hairy claws that look like white fur. But those hairs are actually filaments covered in bacteria. These bacteria help the crab detoxify the dangerous chemicals spewing from underwater volcanic vents, like hydrogen sulfide and methane. In some cases, the crab even farms its own food, using its claws to wave microbes through the water, then harvesting them later. It's blind, ghostly pale, and built to survive in conditions humans can barely observe, let alone endure. This creature wasn't discovered until robotic submarines reached the ocean's most hostile depths. Proof that Earth still hides monsters in the dark. Number 5, the sarcastic fringehead. Its name might sound silly, but the sarcastic fringehead is anything but. Found off the coast of California, this small but aggressive fish guards its territory with one of the most shocking, defensive displays in the ocean. When threatened, it opens its jaws wide, revealing a massive, colorful mouth with bright inner flaps that look almost alien. It doesn't just display them, it uses them to fight. Two fringe heads will slam their open mouths into each other in violent battles for dominance. This ritualized combat is unique and terrifying, resembling something out of deep-sea folklore. Despite its size, the fringe head is feared by divers and known to attack anything that enters its space, even animals much larger than itself. It's nature's perfect example of how weird and wild defense mechanisms can get. Nature isn't just beautiful, it's unbelievable. From creatures that glow in the dark to those that live in boiling vents or reset their own lives, evolution continues to create wonders we never imagined. Which animal fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more strange truths about life on Earth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. This is 5 Facts Only.